Right, another human activation after Old Miner Mel. There's the castle over there, and I'm going to be testing out the Yaesu FT227 that I got from Japan. First on air test proper. I've not had really chance to test it properly. I have got a spectrum analyzer, but I needed some attenuators because rather than not put any power into the thing, destroy it. Anyway, it is quite warm already, so early morning, get a few stations in the log and hopefully activate it. So the old mine is not actually by Markop Castle, it's down it's on the path to the side, but always best park up near the castle. Right, let's go through all this dense forestry and get set up. Right, that's the old, what they call the old mine. All this used to be quarried out on the left that there. Let's just come around the corner a bit. It's quite large as well. There used to be rock climbing there, but it's definitely off limits now. British Mountaineering Club has made it definitely off limits. Oh, they've taken the fence down. Okay, well there it is. Well, there's a bit of climbing gear up on the other side at the top, but my climbing days are over anyway. I think that's definitely above my climbing grade. Alright, let's go to the trig point now and set up.
Mike 6 November Sierra Victor.
Mike 6 November Sierra Victor, good morning. Should we go to 550?
Yeah, 550 QSY.
Just checking this frequency is still clear. This is 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar.
It's frequency clear, M6 NSV. Looking heard this way.
Same here. Yeah, thanks for coming up to me. Call you about 5'8", 5'9". Name is Dom. I'm using an old Yaesu memorizer, FT227. So just testing it out. And I'm on the HEMA summit of Old Miner Mel, Golf Stroke Hotel Sierra Popper 020 QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Dom. I think we have worked before actually. Your call sign's familiar in the name. Name this way is Neil, November Echo India Lima. About a mile from Western Park in Staffordshire. Do a bit of SOTA and that kind of stuff as well, and HEMA. And yeah, you're 5 and 7, Dom. 5 and 7. I'm sort of between Cannock and Telford, if you know this sort of area on the A5. So yeah, about 8 or 9 miles south of Stafford, ever.
Yeah, QSL. Yeah, I recognise it now. Yeah, it's been a while since we worked, anyway. But yeah, how's my audio anyway? I've not really tested this radio out. I've done a few tests with a dummy load in it, but I've not done anything outdoors on the air QSL.
QSL, Dom, yeah, it's sounding okay, mate. Yeah, no problem at all. For a portable, it's I'm not sure, I can't remember what you said your antenna you're using, but yeah, sounds okay. And yeah, like I say, about a 5 and 7 to me. So yeah, 991 this way, just into a co-linear on the side of the house on a pole. So yeah, good signal from you, Dom, over.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, it's just the half-wave dipole. Usually I put it in another trig point, but I forgot one of the tubes for it, so it's not quite fully up. This radio only does 10 watts, and it's from the late 70s, early 80s. Imported it from Japan last year, so this is the first proper run out for it.
Copy that, mate. Okay, well, I'll look up where you are. Did you say you're on Markop? I know where that one is. I didn't recognise the summit reference, but I'll look it up and plan the points in a minute, mate. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Old Miner Mel, Golf Stroke, Sierra Popper. I'm looking at me now. I forgot to bring a pen up with me today. Yeah, Hotel Sierra Popper 020.
Yeah, got it. Okay, I'll look that one up, and I don't know how many more you need, but yeah, I'll claim the points on that one, and good luck with the rest of the activation, over.
Yeah, cheers. First in the log anyway. I've not long got up here, and I'm slightly early from the activation, but yeah, appreciate it, mate, and I'll catch you later. 73.
Yeah, thanks for the contact, Dom, and you take care. Have a good day.
QSY to 550.
550 QSY.
Let's check Can this frequency still clear, please? 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar.
Mike 0, Lima Mike Zulu, nothing heard.
Okay, Mike 0, Lima Mike Zulu, is that correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Alright, cheers, yep, you're about 5 and 9 with me, 59. Name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike. I'm currently on a HEMA summit of Old Mine of Mel, about 30 miles south of Macclesfield.
Yep, copy all that. Name here is Lyndon. I'm just south of Oswestry on the Shropshire Paris border. Yeah, you're a good 5 and 9 to me. Can you just give me your call sign again, please?
Yep, call sign is 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. QSL?
Yeah, copy that, Dom. Yeah, tell me a bit about what you do, this HEMA. I must admit, I've not heard of it before. I do a bit of soda chasing, but I've not heard of this one.
Yeah, no worries. HEMA is similar to SOTA. HEMA summits have a prominence, that means they stick up around the surrounding areas by 150 metres or more. HEMA is between 100 metres and 149 metres. So it's similar kind of idea, but not necessarily small hills or mountains.
Okay, yeah, copy that. Very interesting. So what's the reference number for the one you're on, please? I'll look it up.
Yeah, no worries. Reference is Golf/Hotel Sierra Papa 020. That's Golf/Hotel Sierra Papa 020. If you look at hema.org.uk, all information beyond there on how the program works and how to log chases.
Yeah, no worries, got that. I shall have a look at that, give me something to read up about this morning. Anyway, I won't hold it in case anyone else is trying to get through. Nice to make contact. Hope you have a good day. 7-3 for now.
Alright, 7-3 for now. Enjoy the weather. See you later. Kilo Z, 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Corner CQ for HEMA, home excluding Mountains Award. A glowing success, but I've got a few in the log, 4. It seems the receiver may be a bit deaf on some frequencies, so I've got the attenuators on the way, so I can use the spectrum analyzer. I don't think there's any spurious emissions. Any of the stations that did come back, they give some good reports anyway, so maybe it's just the bandwidth, I don't know. But anyway, let's have it. Yeah, that's the Old Man of Mel. Apologies for the wind, and can we zoom in? Probably not, no. But yeah, around there there's a carabiner with 2 nuts in it. Yeah, definitely above my climbing grade, and it looks really dodgy. The top could fall off. Oh well, yep, Cheshire Plain. And just there is Dodgel Bank Lovell Telescope. So it's good. Something's got a good VHF takeoff. So I think next time I come up here with the 227, I might just use the X50 co-linear because that wasn't high enough. But anyway, not quite done yet. But I'm not giving up on it just yet. So there we go. See you next time.